All right, welcome back. In the previous lecture, we have reviewed one of our existing applications that I have just created, which is an outfit genie, and we saw it in action. We saw how the application asks for inputs from the users, and then it provides the output that I as a developer has already defined in the application, and it gives really great results, right? The text results or the image results, those are all really great, with good depth, good consistency of the image, and it understands what was required and it delivers as expected. So this was the app that I created. Let's look at the apps that other users have created that are a part of the showcase or the gallery. And we will see that in this lecture. So the first one I'll quickly have a look at is the blog post writer. So what it does it is researches a topic and writes a blog post about it. This is from the Opal team. And over here, when you hover on this any application, you will see that a remix button is coming up, which means that you can use this application and create something from your own. So, okay, I'll go to the blog post writer. So this will open up the whole canvas thing. It's called as a canvas. So you see that the mode is equal to canvas on top. And this is the kind of a flow that generates the whole application, right? So what it does is it gets topic, do research, write outline, create a banner image, write post, and display post. Okay. So this is the application if you want to create something of your own. Similarly, you don't have to redo everything. Simply go ahead and click on remix. We will see that as well in one of our lectures. But for now, we are just reviewing what this application is all about. So I'll go to the app. So this is a blog post writer. I'll click on start. It's asking the topic for the blog post. Okay. Uh, I'll say basics of artificial intelligence for leaders. Okay. So this is the topic, and that's all I have to give, right? Uh, it's now working everything. It has provided of kind of an overview, a basic AI overview, historical perspective, opinions, controversies, ethics, future developments, etc. So currently it's doing the research, and very soon it will generate the output for us. Now it has done the research. It is now giving us or maybe writing an outline for itself before it gives us the final output. Again, you will say while it loads, again it says that currently this is an experiment. This app is published, right? We will also publish our own apps. Okay, the next step is the creating banner image that it is already in. Uh, so again, the whole other settings remain the same. You can quickly look at the account you have logged in with. You can sign out from here, and then you can look at the status update and send feedbacks. You can share this particular app with others to use it, and of course you can quickly remix and make your own app. Over here, this button, that is a reset button, this will ask the app to reset and begin from the start. So all the inputs that you have given, if you want to go back, you have to simply do a reset and start from the starting. So this is the progress bar. I think it's almost close to completion, and yep, it's here. So I now have my output. So I gave the topic, the basics of AI, and it gave a title, which is Navigating the AI Frontier, your essential playbook for business leaders. It has given up a good, uh, you know, a good thumbnail. I'll say. I'll not say it's a bad thumbnail. It's a pretty good thumbnail. Again, if you look, there are some or the other issues with the text over here, but overall the theme of the thumbnail is pretty great. It has multiple elements that has combined together. So I think that will give it a. I'll get a 5 or a 7 out of 10. Now comes the entire text. So we have an introduction, and then we have sorry. So we have the introduction, and then we have the different headings. What exactly is AI? Quick history lesson, the C-suite consensus, what leaders are saying about AI today, the AI minefield, glimpsing the future, what's next on the AI horizon for leaders, and then the conclusion. So it's a simple, I think, 1,000 word blog post. That's what I'm expecting it to be, or probably you can uh, asked in the while creating the application to probably create a 500-word article, a 1,000-word blog post, or a 2,000-word lengthier blog post. You can do all of that. So this is one of those applications that somebody has created. Again, I'll go to another one, which is, let's say, a city builder over here. This is as well from uh, Opal team. So again, this looks a bit complicated. You can zoom in and look at the workflow, but as a user, you might not be interested in. And this is something that is for the developers and the app creators. So when you are over here, you can actually go to the app and start this from here, or you can simply start this from here. So I'll go to the app and enter the game location. So New York, Boston, what do you want it to be? So let's call it Paris. Okay, let's enter the game location as this. The game genre, I think I'll go for sci-fi over here. So I'll click on next, and that's it. Right, it only asks for two different inputs from me: the type of game and the location of game, so that it can build the city accordingly. So now it is working its magic. It's getting the location, it's imagining how the city would look like. uh, you know and of course, all of that is running through different AI models in the backend. There's a Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash Nano Banana model, which has recently came in. And then there were other earlier models as well. But I think the recent Nano Banana model has been really fantastic. I have a complete course on Nano Banana if you are interested to learn more about image editing and image creation through a Gemini model. I think that's a fabulous tool that you should learn. So go ahead, check out my course on Google's Nano Banana model, which is also known as the 2.5 Flash image model. So this is a mixture of video. This app will do a mix of video, audio, and text, and then it will give you the final output. So currently, it's generating the game video for us. Almost there, I think. So this is the progress part that you should be aware of. I think. And if I look at the editor, you will see that there are a few things that are already done: location, weather, concept, video instructions, image prompts. And now it is almost on the final step, which is generating game video. I think you can look at these things over here. So this is the step that is currently in progress. And lastly, it has to do is to render the web page, right? So that's something that it will do. It also tells us how many seconds exactly being passed. It's close to a minute, and I think the video generation definitely takes a while. So yeah, you can have a look at this. It's already been a while, so I'll go back to the app. Still taking. So let's quickly get back once this is ready. Also, in the meanwhile, while this is loading, I just remember I must tell you that there's another Google tool, Google AI Studio, which is fantastic. It does things that a lot of other AI applications currently do not, and you can also create some great applications there in the Google AI Studio. So I also have a complete course on Google AI Studio where I teach everything technical and non-technical, and also I create applications there as well. So go ahead and check out that course as well of mine if you are interested about Google AI Studio. All right, so I have my output ready. So let's have a look. So it's called as Neo Paris Stormfront, a sci-fi survival experiment experience. So it's a game concept that it has added. So this is a key art. Okay, imagine Paris like this. It's a bit of sci-fi. There are hi-fi buildings, thunderstorms, Eiffel Tower, and pretty good. And now let's quickly have a look at the trailer. Wow. So this is the Arc de Triomphe, and this is Eiffel Tower, and this is the river, and it's a bit of a sci-fi, amazing trailer. I think it's beautiful. You cannot do much over here. There are no options to, probably can right click and save video as, um, you know, but overall, you can look at how the trailer would look like. So it's kind of a city builder. Further, you have options to share the output, and if you want. And then also you have an option to download the file in your local machine. Okay, so this was the key art, and this was the trailer. The video is made from this, and I think it has done a pretty great job in giving us what we were looking for. Okay, so again going back, okay, I think the articles are getting downloaded now. So this is the output, etc., and you can just use this Chrome web page, and it also saves results to my Google Drive. So a lot of applications are there. Turn your YouTube video into a quiz to help you learn. Create a playlist with the current mood with YouTube links. Uh, Create a weather appropriate output for a specific occasion. Spelling bee, hear a word, an example sentence, and spell it. Video marketeer, random post generator, business profiler, book recommender, the possibilities are endless. You can imagine something and then create, and use natural language to create, and Opal will do that for you. So go ahead, come to this link, sign up, sign in, go back to gallery and look at the applications that people have created. Get inspired, get inspiration from here. Do not remix everything, but understand what are the capabilities and the possibilities of the applications that you can create with Opal, and think of a new use case that isn't currently here, and go ahead and build it. I really look forward to see what you're building. We will learn how to build all of these together in our coming lectures. Thank you. See you.